Hello guys, so welcome to tonight's show. My name is CHUKS. I am on JFL TV, the home of football. So if today not the first time we see our program for you, they bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, I am going to start with tonight's evening show. All right, so it is very interesting. So I see this report from Thierry Henry about Arsenal this season. Sky Sports put out the video. I watched them and I was very impressed with waiting Henry they talk about our team. Now, Henry said nobody doubts Arsenal this season because Mikel Arteta has done very well. You get. He said we are doing extremely well. Thierry Henry says that no one should doubt Arsenal this season because he can talk say him see wetin happen for the weekend say we drop point against Nottingham Forest, then many Arsenal fan base come dey very angry, everywhere was toxic, many people dey talk many things wey no dey okay, and him understand say na because we never win in a very long while, so people are scared. Shebi na wetin me I dey always talk here, say that fact say we never win in a long while na dey make people dey see 7 points as if 7 points no big. People are looking at Man City because they've chased us before and caught us. So therefore, that fear will always be there. Say, they fit still catch us again. No. Now, Henry come even dey talk say, we asked Mikel Arteta to help us win the league, to do whatever it takes. Now, Mikel Arteta is doing whatever it takes. He has gone 7 points ahead of this Manchester City and Liverpool, but Liverpool down. They got like 14 or there about point. That they don't follow again, sef. To Liverpool and Villa, say make we get faith in this team because we have Arteta to find a way to be above City and he's doing it. 7 points is a massive edge. Now wetin Baba dey talk. Say 7 points na massive edge. So me, I understand where Henry is coming from because me, Joseph, I dey come from that street. But many people never enter that street because people are still stuck up in fear land. You get fear island. Many people still dey there. So, and I don't really blame anybody. Like I always say, even those of our pundits, negative pundits, will talk say, Man City will still win the league. I expect them to do that run because Man City have done it before and they got success. They caught us. So now this particular season, we will use rewrite our story. If we go the entire length and breadth of this season and end up winning the league, nobody go bring that narrative again. Say Man City go catch. They go say, why they not catch their last season? You get. So I like the fact that Henry is coming out in the Monday Night Football with Sky Sports. Can they like bring down our fears because many of our fan base are scared. There are some people like me. Now once I don't see Arsenal win the league, I have experienced it just once in my lifetime. In my 20-something years, I don't support Arsenal. Now once, and that was like the invisible season. Then how old was I? You get, I still be like a youth. I never really put body for this football like that compared to now. If you say I dey live inside the football, so I need to re-experience it again. Some people dey wey dey never experience am once with their life. Ajay get all those kind oga nora dem wey don pay for here, at least they go don experience am multiple times, but they go like to relive that memory. So that's why I just hope say, like Henry talk, nobody should doubt this Arsenal this season. This season is our time. Now, away from that, so when you look at the story put out by the London Evening Standard, they say Arsenal gets major injury boost for Inter Milan clash after training updates. Wetin be the training updates? You know, say dem bin tell us say Saka has a little niggle, say no really dey 100% okay. That's why they rest am for the match against Nottingham Forest. So people come dey wonder say how far, because I was even looking for Arteta's press conference. I never really see am today. So I no come know whether dem do am, dem come hide am, abi dem never do am. Because I no really understand wetin dey sup because we are supposed to play tomorrow. Press conference suppose don drop by now. You get? Unless maybe na later this night they go still do am. I no come know. Now, they come talk say Bukayo Saka train for today open training session. No be say dem talk say I even watch am, make I no lie. I watch the video wey Saka train. Now, apart from Bukayo Saka, Christian Mosquera also train. So that one na another big plus. You get? And when I come dey look that Mosquera train, so my brain come dey, you know, na the overkaku. I just say, what if Arteta decides to rest Saliba against Inter and play Mosquera? But people go say it is too soon because Mosquera just come back. But what if? Because that Saliba self need rest too. That Saliba has been playing for a long time. The Indians they pay anybody they want use change the Saliba. Sometimes no guy will just replace and small. Saliba needs rest. You get, because it's no easy. We don't dey enter that particular period wey people dey feel say na that time gongo Arsenal dey drop points. January, February, March. So na that place Arsenal go play very well. If na my wife go say you people will play from August to the all of a sudden they just start dropping points and they now win it ahead of people. So that narrative is there. So we must make sure say this time around we change am. And how do we change it? Rotation is going to be very, very key. Very, very important. Now, e get wetin I come see for Sky Sports. This Sky Sports, they go the training. They analyze the training, analyze everybody wey play, who don come back, who never come back. Kapi no dey, Kalafiori no dey, Max Doma no dey, only those three. Every other person dey available. But e come get another statistics wey dem drop for this particular video, where I was like, because I never really pay attention to am. Even though I know Bukayo Saka own, so Saka never really dey perform in recent times. You get, but I was amazed. Now, are you aware that Madueke in 24 games wey he don play for EPL for us, he never get any assist or one goal? In 24 games, no assist, no goal. Keep that one aside. Gyökeres scored 1 goal in his last 10 games for Arsenal. Keep that one aside. Then Gabriel Jesus has scored 1 goal in his last 8 games, like in the EPL for Arsenal. Keep that one aside. Bukayo Saka in his last 8 games, EPL, no goal, no assist. In his last 8 games, EPL, no goal, no assist. Keep that one side. Martinelli in his last 19 games in the EPL, 1 goal. Now, when you look at these scary and frightening statistics, now that time you go come understand, say, we dey where we dey by the grace of God. You see why I said we have attacking problem, which was why I was saying, okay, maybe bring a new striker, bring a new attacking midfielder, bring a new winger. Because what we have presently is not delivering. We are where we are because of our mighty defense and the towering giants called Gabriel Magalhaes, so they bust net sometimes for us. The attack is not attacking. They are not doing what they're supposed to do for a title-winning team. That is why the ESPN put out one analysis. They say if Arsenal end up winning the league, Arsenal will be the first weakened team to win the league. Like, they will be a very weak champion because the numbers are not encouraging. Imagine Martinelli 19 games, Saka the last 8 games. So when you play all these type of matches now, where are the goals coming from? That is why I say Saka no dey inform, but I don't really observe other people. I don't know, say Madueke 24 games, nothing dey happen. Baba, let us be grateful for where we are. Let us just be grateful. But we could just dey package am like this, more dey push am. As long as the goals are coming from corner kicks, because Henry even said something. Henry say Arteta looked for a way out of all this low block, all this thing, and brought set pieces, and the goals are coming. People say set piece. Do the set piece, score the goal, and let's continue moving forward. Any which way we want to look for a way out to win. So if na set piece go dey run am for us, Baba, make we focus on the set piece. But wetin come dey vex me na, if say we know say na set piece we wan dey pursue, why not get Sesko? At least we will get another towering giants there, or Nick Voltamad. Make e dey put the ball for am, make e dey know that. So make I no lie for you, this statistics wey I see about our strikers, for me, is troubling. Like, I was not really impressed at all. In fact, before we proceed, let me bring you a message from one of our sponsors. Now, we'll bring a message from Mobile Wealth Associates and Co. Limited. They're into construction services, dredging, canalization, real estate, and shore protection works. They're also into mechanical and fabrication services and procurement services nationwide. So if you want to reach out to them, call them on +234 80646422 34, and they're located at number 7 Ekenwell Road, or Razi, opposite St. Stephen's Anglican Church, Port Harcourt. So if you're interested in any of their services, please do reach out to them. Also, Moko bring you a message from Madame Adobe, who has this Turkish furniture for sale, original Turkish furniture that was brought into the country. So they get complete sets available for sale. So they get 2 3-seater chairs, 2 single-seater chairs, 3 side tables, 1 center table, big size dining table, 6 pieces of dining seats, and 6 throw pillows. So if you're interested, contact Madame Adobe on 080-206 02634, and the location na Shongo Tedo, Aja, Lagos, Nigeria. So if you're interested in any of the services or the furniture, please get in touch with our ASAP. Now our players they train ahead of the Inter Milan match. You get very important. I watch all the videos of the training. I see everybody they smile. You get. I say, man, I just do it for us, Jerry. Go San Siro there, get the job done. If nothing win, fine. Now if we win, man, I collect draw. Draw self be okay. Me, I not too put body like that. I bet. No one can say injury do anybody. And I just represent us very well. Get. Now my own prayer for now. Everywhere go good for now. Now the referee will even officiate the match. Now the first ever Arsenal officiating with this. Get. So UEFA had already confirmed the match of the day official. So Joe Pinheiro will referee the match, assisted by Bruno Jesus and Luciano Maya, and Joe Goncalves will be the fourth official for the game. That one they okay. Now I can see waiting Conte they talk about some coaches. So Conte say some young coaches nowadays are arrogant and don't want to adapt. They see a young striker struggling, so instead of training him, they blame him. So this one na Amorim get this sub. This sub wey Conte, even though no mention him, me I know say na Amorim get the sub. Because this particular player when they talk about Rasmus Højlund at Manchester United, he was a shit packer. See am for Napoli now, they score, the Boston, they do very, very well. So that one save day. Now the aftermath of the wahala wey happen for the AFCON, so FIFA president Gianni Infantino come dey congratulate Senegal and Morocco, although he come talk say the scenes wey happen for there it was unacceptable. You get say fans dey fight, get say some people comot for field, like e no really make any sense. Get so, and at the end of the day, me I no really blame am because true wetin that Senegal coach do sef e no make sense. In fact, somebody entered my DM say, "Sir Chuks, you never play ball before. If say you don play ball before, you go understand say wetin Morocco do, wetin the referee do, you no go, e dey pain. So therefore, you suppose to comot for the field." But two wrongs don't make it right. Yes. I see some people say they praise Senegal, say, "Ah, oh my good, if say na me sef I go comot for the field." But two wrongs don't make it right. Now, you remember this Timber twin, Quentin Timber, wey dey say Arsenal one side. This guy, Arsenal will define him as a free agent because in contract will expire at the end of the season. But Olympic Marseille say, we no go wait for you. Olympic Marseille won't do wetin City do with Berg. So we are not waiting for your contract to expire. Even Fabrizio Romano contract say like anytime soon. The deal dey very, very close. Say Marseille will sign the guy. So that one sef dey. Now, Morocco sef dey sue FIFA. They are pursuing legal action with FIFA and Senegal. Not really FIFA. Let's not Senegal they sue sef. They are pursuing legal action with FIFA over Senegal's decision to leave the pitch because Morocco they claim say as Senegal leave the pitch, say that thing affects the mentality of their own players. So now one of the things wey make Diaz miss the penalty, even though there is this conspiracy theory that Brahim Diaz purposely missed the penalty, which I really don't agree with. But we'll see where that legal thing will happen. And you get wetin this Morocco sef they do. Now notice say they did thief goalkeeper towel. They do it with Nigerian keeper. Like three or four different towels they go bring. They go carry and run. Why? Because rain dey fall. And the rain, you say normally that your hand glove go dey wet. So keeper go like to use towel, clean in hand. So they no go want make the keeper use the towel. They want make him hand dey slippery, make body fall for in hand. They do it with Nigeria goalkeeper Wabali. Wabali replace the towel like 3-4 times. They still carry am. So because of that, Mendy come call the assistant goalkeeper for Senegal, say make him be the towel bodyguard, making the guard the towel. So they take the towel, the guy fight with them. See Morocco ball boys, they follow the fight for towel. They don't want to make Mendy use any towel, but the second goalkeeper no gree. Say lie, I no go allow now. So I don't know. In fact, Morocco wanted to win this thing at all costs. But at the end of the day, football prevailed. Yes, Senegal actually won it. Because me too, I don't go lie for you. I was rooting for Senegal. I was really rooting for them. Now, Clint Morrison, when they reply Michael Richards, based on what Michael Richards talked this morning, and myself, I went against Michael Richards. That's what he said. It did not resonate with me. It didn't really make any sense. So Morrison got to talk. Say, okay, look at what Michael Richards is saying. That Gyökeres should be put out of the team to gain confidence. Morrison got to ask Michael Richards what he means by asking in the morning. Where have you seen where they remove a player and put the player on the bench and that help the player to regain confidence? Say it will aid it will add to your depression. Now, Morrison can go a step further where me I no even go. You can just say, what if that person wey they call you replace you? May they get your confidence for bench. What if that person call the boss net, they go? What now happens to you? Your Benjamin will come the long they go. So the best thing to get is help a player fight back his confidence, is to continue playing him. Let him continue to get the playing time. And when I do this, I know they laugh. Say, look at critical thinking. God. I was quite impressed with the way Chris Morrison made that analysis. Now, away from that, we will also bring you a message from another of our sponsor, in Dove and Dove International Academy, waiting for Ikene, Ogun State, Nigeria. You get. Now, they bring you the first private professional football academy in Nigeria and West Africa, combining academics and sports. Some of the benefits you would enjoy at Dove and Dove International include trials and placements at an academy in the United Kingdom and Europe, as well as college and university scholarships. So you get exposure to local and international media. Admission into JSS 1 to 3 and SS 1 to 3 is ongoing. So if you get interest, make you call Dove and Dove International on +234 80 6686 6665 or +23481 5628 to actually get started. They also sends me pictures of some of their students getting the academy training and all that. So if you get interested, the number is at the bottom of the screen. So with all that being said, the biggest news of the night, let me the fact that Thierry Henry, our legend, is saying nobody should doubt Arsenal this season. We give Arteta a mandate, do whatever it takes to go beyond Man City and Liverpool, and he's doing it at this moment. We are on track. So when nobody go lose guard, say they lose like no one, you don't believe in the team again. Say continue to trust the process, even though we are in the process. And with that being said, I think it's a fine place for us to call the show an end. So it's like come your way tomorrow morning to give you the morning news. So then thanks for tuning in. Enjoy the rest of your night. Now good night. And I'll get out. All right, guys. Ciao.